Joai MLA Vailat Miki Shilla attended the closing ceremony of the Loompyrdi Iongphiah Upper Primary School's Silver Jubilee on February 26th at Madan Pyrdi Iongphiah. Speaking as a chief guest, Shilla commended the school's milestone achievement and urged the continuation of its commendable service to the community by providing quality education and fostering the holistic development of its students. During the event, the chief guest released a souvenir, distributed mementos to the school's co-founders, participated in the cake-cutting ceremony, unveiled the school mascot and officially concluded the Silver Jubilee celebrations.
Kakamran kayong nga kayong timok ten. Kawan upanjanay sosoy. Kawan upuntu sosoy. Ya kari ke school wa kini piwa he. Tudan teman itu di sini.
Mau Marin village in